Life wasn't always this way. The world was once bright and full of color. People woke up excited, they had dreams, but somewhere along the way something changed. The colors faded. The world became gray. People lost their spark. They felt stuck, unmotivated, lost. Does this sound familiar? You are not alone. We've all been there. That feeling of being stuck in a rut, like we're just going through the motions. But what if I told you there's a way out? What if I told you that you have the power to bring the color back into your life? Let me introduce you to Alex. Alex is a lot like you and me. Alex has dreams, but sometimes those dreams feel really far away. Alex gets caught up in the day-to-day, scrolling through social media, putting things off until tomorrow. Sound familiar? Alex, like many of us, struggles with procrastination. Those big goals, they feel overwhelming. So Alex puts them off. Just one more episode, just one more level in this game. The distractions are endless. But deep down, Alex knows something needs to change. One day, Alex stumbles upon an old notebook. Inside, there's a list of goals, dreams Alex had forgotten. And next to each goal, a plan. Small steps Alex could take every day. Alex realizes something powerful. Big dreams start with small steps. Alex starts by setting small, achievable goals. Instead of write a book, it's write 1 page a day. Instead of learn a new language, it's study for 15 minutes. And you know what? It starts to work. The color begins to seep back in. The truth is, we all have the power to bring color back into our lives. It starts with a single step. What's one small goal you can set today? Write it down, make a plan, and then take action. You got this. Don't wait for someone else to paint your world. You have the brush, you have the colors. Start creating the life you dream of, one brushstroke at a time. And remember, we're all in this together. Let's bring back the color.